Welcome back. Now, in order for your offer to work correctly using the upsells and downsells, you'll need to use offer-specific buttons for each product. And so what you're going to do is you're going to use the sales page that you have set up inside of this area, and then you're going to place the button code on that page. Now, the button code you're going to get by clicking this Get Code button. Now, that's going to give you a dialog box where you can customize your button. For example, you can add in Hurry Up, and this will tell people that they have a scarcity issue with the number of copies. Now, this is typically only going to be relevant when you are using some kind of quantity limit. You can take out the credit card logos, as you can see. You can take out the price appearing. You can change the words on the button from Add to Cart to Buy Now, to Subscribe, to Free Download, Free Trial, or Custom. You can add in a border, and you can also change the background to transparent. You can change the color of the button, and you can actually change the style of the button. So for example, you can change the button to a flat style. Now, once you have the button in the way that you want it to appear, you will then see that there is a code that says select your options and copy the code below. What we're going to do is we're going to place our cursor inside of this dialog box. It will highlight all of the code, and we're going to copy the code. And we're going to take this code and we're going to place that on our sales page. Now, with the upsells and downsells, they're going to be a slightly different process. We're going to click the Get Code button. And once again, we're going to be able to customize these buttons in the way that we want them. But one of the things that we're going to need to do on our upsell and downsell pages is to add in a no thanks link. Now, giving the option to click this link to our clients means that if they don't want the upsell or they want to click out of the downsell, we will then have a link that will send them to their next offer or to the member area in order to get their product. So you want to make sure that you include this particular no thanks link associated with this particular offer, and you want to associate it with the page that you have placed inside of this area. All of those things must be in sync for your funnel to work correctly. And once you have placed the individual button code and no thanks code on each individual page, you are then ready to move to the next step. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.